Ipadol. Padol. Padol.
Good morning, everybody, to our beloved principal, Mrs. Penelope Coxon.
Wow. Good, smile.
Our dear school administrators, barangay officials, parents, visitors who are here today, especially to our beautiful guest speaker, Miss Glidel T. Mingok. Welcome to our moving up ceremony school year 2024-2025. In behalf of kindergarten